Barbell bicep curl, one of the classics. Absolutely love this movement. You want to start with your feet shoulder length apart, and you want to keep your arms inward. You don't ever want to swing the weight up with momentum, right? You want to experience the full movement by allowing your biceps to bring that weight up. Now, if you're trying to build muscle, you want to do 8 to 12 reps, and you want to squeeze when you bring the weight up for a good 1, 2 Mississippis even, and allow for a slow movement down, right? 2, 3 Mississippis down, bring the weight back up, hold 1, 2 Mississippis, right? Now, if you're just trying to tone your arms down, you don't need to worry about the 1 or 2 Mississippis. You just want to do 15, 20 reps of the bicep curls without any, pause, without any slow movements. Now, if you want to activate more of your forearms too with this movement, then you want to reverse your grip, and that's going to activate your forearm more. Now, if you do a normal grip, that's more focused on the bicep. Now, if you want to work the outer head of your bicep, then you want to have a close grip, right? And if you're wanting to work the inner head of your bicep, then you're going to want to have a wide grip, right? And above all, folks, please, please, please do not use your lower back, right? A really good practice is to actually press your back against a flat wall and then just do the movement with just your biceps.